Holy schnickelfoots, boys. Oh yeah. Freaking rig fired right up this morning. Scores! Oh, oh yeah. Shit. I forgot I don't have heat in this son of a bitch. We gotta have the... Oh no. Well, it turns out -5, the batteries don't like that kind, so. Oh, but anyways, boys, friggin' Chinook blew into Inwood big time. Friggin' chicken house. Put a door in the chicken house. So we gotta go get some straws.
Thought I recognized that truck. YouTube, right?
Yeah.
That's right. That's fine in the winter, I guess.
Yeah, well, we got fucking chickens and they don't like this one bit.
Oh yeah, I got a few. Well, they're not laying eggs, not too much now, but.
Yeah, they don't do much this time of year. Okay, let's get the f out of here. Cute. Yeah, we definitely need to do something about the heat in the truck, boys. She's a little, this sucks. Yeah, this really sucks. Thinking I should get like a auxiliary tractor heater. I mean, I should just take the dash out of the truck and this and that, but oh my god. Oh my god. You know what I mean? I gotta finish Crawdad's truck too. Sometime, you know. Well, probably next year at this point, but good lord. But we got some haze for the chickens. We got chicken haze. Straw, not hay. Not hay. Hay no good. Check this out. I just got like a shower curtain in there for now, but I'm gonna put like a metal rod from the floor to the ceiling so I can clamp my cameras to it. Cause, oh shit, that was close. This new friggin' get-up I got there is a little more cumbersome. Anyways, we'll get this chicken door friggin' bolted on there, and yeah, it'll be awesome. They'll love it. Right there. Closer to the edge or in the middle?
Probably closer to the edge is good. Whatever's gonna be stable.
More rigid. I'll have to do a preliminary cut with this and then get in the corners with the snozz probably.
Hold on 1 second, I should maybe get Shug, because he might attack you.
He doesn't. Oh my god. Look at the snozz quick. Oh, got a little overzealous there, that sucks.
I could put that little screwdriver in my toolkit.
That's my new good one. You stay in there, chickens. She got the timer onto it so that it opens in the morning and closes at night. Decent. Chicken house. Hey, you get the fuck out of here, Shug. Stupid. You stupid? Where should this go? Where's the sun the most? Over here?
Yeah. Faces. Is it long enough to go on the fence? Doesn't matter. Wherever.
Oh, nice.
Not all the way through on the other side, so at least there's that.
Oh my god, chicken house. They love it.
Also have to get a bit of a landing there. Oh,
That's
you farted an
enough.
egg.
Well, in other words, chickens got their friggin' door, their house, their friggin' hays, straws, whatever you want to call it. So, hope you're happy about that. Friggin' Chinook Blue and Terrible Boys. I'm just trying to get caught up on life after, you know, having to do pewter stuff for like 2 weeks. Pewter no work, no good. So, in other words, kind of was just looking at the rocker there a little bit, not too bad. So, that'll be in a movie coming up there. But, in other words, boys, okay, go.